Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, Kan. Good evening, Kan. Hi, how are you today?
I'm good.
All right, very good. So, what yesterday is Teacher's Day in Vietnam, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what gift did you give to your teacher, your favorite teacher? Did you
Um.
give gift to your teacher, Kan, or not?
Um.
Okay. So did you give a gift to your favorite teacher, Kan? Yes or no?
I. Mm, yeah. Mm,
Did you give a gift to your teacher?
um,
No? Yes
mm,
or no?
I. Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. So, Kan, have you also eat your dinner? Are you full now? Did you eat dinner like rice and meat or noodles? Okay, so I believe you are full now because Kan, we will gonna start our lesson. Okay, so Kan, listen to teacher Jennifer and eyes on teacher. Okay? Okay? All right, so
Yeah.
very good. So can you see our screen now or do you see our screen now, Kan? Okay, so very good. Now, Kan, let's listen to the audio here.
Page 48, Unit 5. Get ready. Words. A. Listen and point to the words. Listen again and say the words.
Eagle, chick, nest, opossum, tree hollow, honeybee, hive, crab, eagle, chick, nest, opossum, tree hollow, honeybee, hive, crab.
Okay, very good. So now, Kan, we are done listening to the audio. So now, Kan, let's read and point. Okay? So first, what is in the picture number one, Kan? It's the
Is eagle.
very good. How about the second picture?
A chick.
Cheek, all right?
Is nest.
Nest. Okay, how about the third one?
Is also
Okay, op opossum.
opossum.
Very good. How about the next picture, Trump? Kan?
Is tree hollow.
Tree hollow. Tree hollow.
Tree tree hollow.
Very good. How about the fifth picture?
Is honeybee.
Honeybee. Okay, well done. Next one.
Is hip.
Hive.
Hive.
Okay, how about the last picture, Kan?
Is crab.
Okay, so Kanhar, now, okay, so you're gonna discuss for the first picture. Okay, so for the first picture, Kanhar, so eagle. So eagle, One of the family of eagle is a bird. So eagle can be seen in the big trees or also in the forest. So have you seen an eagle in person, Kan? No. How about in the zoo?
No.
Okay, all right. So you haven't seen an eagle for the first time? No?
Um, mm, uh, uh,
How about in the zoo, Kan, Har? Have you seen an eagle in the zoo, Kan?
mm,
No. Okay, that's okay. No worries. Now, how about the second picture, Kanhar? So, chick. Chick.
eh,
Okay, so very good. Chick is the baby of the it's the baby chi it's the little. Okay, give me 1 sec. So it's the little. Can you read this one, Kanhar?
chick is baby chicken.
Very good. Okay, have you seen a chick, a baby chicken, Kanhar? Have you seen a chick in a person? You are on mute. Can you are on mute? Okay, so chick is the baby chicken. All right, so now Kan, how about the third picture? It's a
It's a nest.
very good. So nest. So by the way, Kanhar, nest is the place or the place where the chick or the little eagle or the little bird lives. Okay?
Yeah,
Yeah. So basically we can see nest on the
it's on the tree.
trees. Okay. So most of the time our nest can be seen on the uh trees or big trees. Okay, how about this word Trump? Can it's the
Is the
opossum. Opossum.
is
Okay. So a possum is an animal who lives or basically lives in the tree hollow. Okay, Can? Okay, so opossums live in the tree hollow. All right. So you are always on mute, Can. Why is that? You are on mute. Can you are on mute? Okay, so now how about the next picture, Kan? What is this? It's the Can you read this one, Kan? Three hollow. Hello, Kan. Are you listening to Teacher Jennifer? Kan?
Is the tree hollow?
Okay. So please listen to Teacher Jennifer, okay? Don't make an extra movement while we are on class so that our class will not disturb. Okay, Kan? And please don't unmute your microphone. All right. Next. This one.
Is the honeybee?
Okay. So by the way, Tree Hollow is the place where the opossum live. So this is the place where the opossum live. Kan. It's the Tree Hollow. Okay, next is honeybee. So,
Is honeybee?
yes. So have you tried to eat honey? Honey is so sweet, Kan. Have you tried to eat? Have you tried to eat honeybee, Kan? So bees produces honey. So they are the one who produce honey. All right, now, Kan, how about the next picture? It's the
Is a hive?
hive. Very good. So hive is where the honeybees lives, or it is the place. So hive is the place where honeybees lives. All right, very good. Now, Kan, how about the last picture? Can you read it, Kan? It's a
Is a is the crab?
crab. Very good. So do you eat crab, Kan? Do you eat crab? No. Okay, so crab is a family of seafood. I'm sorry, sea animals in the or which is located or found in the ocean or sometimes in the sand. All right, so we are done discussing with the activity or the topic letter A, Kan. So now we will have an activity. Okay, so can you read the instruction, Kan? So can you read it, Kan? Think. Can you read the instruction, Kan, please? Think. Hello, Kan. Are you listening to Teacher Jennifer? Okay, so can you read the instruction, Kan?
Is think about the words in A and add them to the chat.
Okay, very good. So think about the words in letter A. This one, Kan. Here. Here. In this picture. The 8th picture, Kan. And after that, add them to the chart. So for example, Kan, first example is eagle. So eagle is a part of animals. Okay, so are you following teacher's Jennifer instruction, Kan?
Is animal.
Okay, very good. So now, Kan, please add in the two chart whether the picture or the letter A picture is in animal or in the places. Okay, so your turn, Kan. Put them on the column. 2 columns. Okay, so we have here one example. First is the eagle. Okay, next. What is next, Kan?
Is
What is, so in the picture, letter A, Kan, here. So what is the animal, or which is the animal here, or which are the animal here? You can put it in the animals column. So in the picture, letter A, Kan, please listen to teacher, okay? Listen to teacher instruction. In the letter A picture, choose the animal here and choose also the places. Write it here, Kan. For the first column, it's for animals. And then for the second column, it's for the places, okay? Please write it on the column. Go, go, go.
mm,
All right, so the first column is for animals, and then the second column is for the places.
mm,
All right, so for example, can here, so we can write here the chick.
there,
Okay, next to chick, what is the animal next to chick, Can? It's the,
is the chick.
okay, so chick is already on the column. Next, what animals is in the picture, letter A? It's the,
Is mm,
you can write the,
is the hip.
yeah, after the chick, it's the,
Opossum.
very good. So can you write opossum to the animals column? Can, go, go, go.
Is color.
Okay, so opossum. Can you write it on the animal column? Can, here. Write the opossum here.
Mm,
Opossum. Okay, write the opossum here. Can, please write here. Opossum. Very good. Next is the honeybee. Okay, can you write the word honeybee? Honeybee. Very good. Okay, next is for the animal is the crab. Okay, can you write the crab, Kanhar? Okay, write the word crab. Okay, this one. On the animal column, Kanhar. Write the word crab.
Um. mm, 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 mm,
Crab.
mm.
Okay. Please write on the column here. You can write it here. Crab. Write the word crab.
Um.
This one. On the column here, Kan. Where crab. It is crab, not crud. Crab.
Crab.
Yes, not crud. It is crud. The one that you write, Kan, is crud. So it's a crab. Just remove the letter D and add the letter B. B. This is the spelling of crab, Kan. Crab.
Crab.
Okay. So crab. Mhm. Okay, now for the places chart, Kanhar, write those places where the animals live or in the picture letter A. So it's first is the nest. Okay, can you read it, Kan?
Yeah.
What word is this?
Is
Ne
nest.
nest. Again, Car, what word is this? Can you read?
Is nest.
Very good. So can you put it on the places column here? Okay, write the word nest. Write the word nest. Nest. It's N-E-S-T. Nest. It is not net, Can. It's nest. Uh-oh. Oh. So yeah, that's okay. So write the word nest. Okay, next is the tree hollow. Okay, can you read it, Kanhar? Can you read it? It's the
Is the tree hollowy?
very good. Okay, can you write it on the column? Column places. Very good. Next is, what word is this? Or can you read the word? Kanhar?
Puff,
Hive.
half,
Hive.
half,
Very good. So, can you write? Hive. Very good. Okay, so don't forget um the places of the animal or where the animal lives. Okay, Kan? So for example, the nest, the tree hollow, and the hive. Okay?
yeah,
All right. So Kan, we will gonna wrap up with our class because it is already time. So by the way, as I observe with our class, again, please listen to teachers' instruction. Please listen to teacher whenever teacher is discussing. And again, please don't make any movement. Like for example, because I can observe that you are listening to teacher Jennifer. And with that, our class is might disturb. Okay, Kan? I hope you will not do that again in our next class. Okay? Okay. Just tell me if you want to go to bathroom or you want to go, to get your water. Okay, Kanhar?
yes.
All right, very good. But overall, again, thank you so much for attending our class. Okay, so bye-bye for now, Kan, and see you again next class. Okay?
Yeah.
All right, thank you and keep safe. Bye for now.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.